Greetings and welcome to the channel. I'm Jason with VectorVest, and this is Intro to Investing for Beginners. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about why investing is so important and why you should start right now, if you're not already. So with a lot more people coming into the retail investing space due to a lot of buzz in the air about investing, I'm going to cover some of the reasons why, if you're on the fence, you should be investing right now. There's no reason to not be investing, especially in the current market. So first up, what do you typically do with the money that you've squirreled away after all of your bills are paid? Well, a lot of people just keep it into a savings account, and that is not really the best idea because, well, what's something that a lot of very rich, very powerful people do? They make their money work for them. And that is what investing is going to do for you. Now, let's take, for example, your savings accounts. Let's say you have $1,000 in your savings account, right? So even on a good day, you're probably only going to get about 0.5% of interest per year on your $1,000. Now, you can take that money and invest that into super low risk investments and easily come out with more. And one of the things with the VectorVest software is we help you determine what you need to put that money into. And this is going to be really good because if you're just putting this into savings account, you are not going to be beating inflation per year. Inflation is around 2 to 3% per year. So you want to make sure that your money that you're saving, that you're working very hard for, is working to at least beat the inflation. So making sure that you are investing that money for future endeavors, right, to beat out that inflation is very, very important. And this is going to go into the next topic, and that's going to be retirement. A lot of people, especially younger people, think that they have all of the time in the world. They don't have to worry about retirement until way, way down the road. But if you start investing in your retirement now, when let's say you're in your mid-20s, early 30s, you're going to be much, much further along in the game when you want to maybe retire early, or when you are going to retire, you'll have all of the money and the resources needed in order to do all of the things that you want to do. And the other nice thing too about starting early in investing is you can be a little bit more aggressive when you're younger, shift into a medium aggression in your mid 30s to late 40s, early 40s, and then as you go, just go a little bit safer. This will give you a lot of flexibility in just adjusting for your retirement. Now, if you're not too worried about your retirement and you're saying, but hey, Jason, what happens if I have an emergency? Now, if you're invested, you will be getting money along the way. Or hopefully you will be, making your money make money. And this can really help with emergency backup money as well. The gains that you make can easily be taken out in case of unexpected events, or a child, or, let's say your water heater breaks. If you're investing your money in things that are giving you back returns year after year, you're going to be in a much better spot, and you can almost think of it kind of as a savings account. And like I said, with the VectorVest software, we can analyze a lot of those things and kind of give you what you need in order to really kind of hit that mark and really impact your overall wealth exponentially. Now, this is going to go into the next topic, and that's going to be financial freedom. Now, a lot of people dream of the day that they can tell their boss, I'm not coming to work today, right? Let's be real. Everybody has thought that at one point, except for me. I love my bosses here at VectorVest. I would never leave them unless I was financially independent. But one of the big things with financial independence is Do you want to travel? Do you want to be your own boss? Do you want to live by your own rules? Well, investing can do that. And the more you invest, the better you are in the long term. The early retirement, the financial freedom, removing that stress that you have off of your back, knowing that if things do hit the fan, you're prepared because you were smart and you made your money work for you. I'm going back to that first topic quite a bit here, but this is really, really big. And a lot of people, there's so much when it comes to investing, and that's what this series is aiming to tackle for you as a new investor, or maybe even just like you've dabbled in it a little bit but you want to learn more. That's what this series is about. So make sure you guys do subscribe and follow, and we appreciate any feedback and topics you guys want us to cover in this series as well. But the last thing that I want to cover over why right now is probably the best time for you to start investing is it gives you time to compound your wealth. Now, let's say you start out small. Let's say you are not a big whale that just has a ton of money to drop into the market. Even putting in $100 a month. Let's say you put in $100 a month into an investment. Let's say you're finding things on the VectorVest software that look really good. They have a really good return, and you decide every month I'm going to dollar cost average into this for $100. Now, as you go, as you're reinvesting this and you're investing over time, you're going to compound your wealth. That's because, you will have a larger interest rate than if you were in a savings account. So you can take that, move that into other things, diversify, and this is going to overall compound your wealth, give you the financial freedom, prepare you for retirement, and it's going to be there for you in case things don't go exactly like planned. But these are some of the reasons why you should be investing right now. And there is currently a trial going on for the VectorVest software. It will help you really kind of get your foot in the door for the market, right? A lot of people, like I've talked to a lot of people, especially with all of the retail market, Robinhood craze, they're not sure where to start. And we have training courses, we have people that can help you, we have the Jockey Club, we have all kinds of different things. So if you go down to the link below and go to the website, sign up for the trial, try it out, see how you like it, make sure you come back for more of the beginner videos. Feel free to ask questions. Make sure you do subscribe and follow for a lot of our other videos. We have tons of videos for a wide range of investors, and I hope to see you guys back on the next one. I'll see you then.